Hi guys! I decided to create a new category of video, Analysis of Flair Routine. Videos from this category will help you learn to analyze and understand how other bartenders' performances are built. Create your own Flair routine. Understand that compiling Flair routine is not that difficult. Some clarifications. I will analyze only my Flair performances. I don't think it would be correct to analyze other bartenders' routines. I will show you only Flair, not the way to build a whole routine with cocktails. This information I will give in paid online courses, which you can find on my website thebarworld.com. Let's start. PS. It's totally okay to learn from those videos, use them as an example for your own performances, copy to use on stage. The beginning of routine. Work and Flair.
it.